trading, except the dice decides. So guys,
I'm scared.
yeah, we're both really scared. So there's an add on here, there's a decline, there's an accept. We're hoping it says decline. We got some bad fidgets to trade. Yes. Okay, now we're going to show them like the fidgets. So I got this texture glove and this like homemade tangle. And then she has, show them your fidgets.
I got this little cake squishy that is not that good.
It's
And
horrible.
you gave me this something. I don't know what it is.
It's a net for her stress balls. But before we do this, you guys need to like and subscribe right now. Like, I need it. Okay, so we have a fidget trading board. But just like, yeah. Okay, you put up something for me to offer for.
Okay. I'm going to put up this time.
Oh, gosh. I think I'm going to put in this. Okay, let the dice decide. Oh, gosh. Now we have to accept.
I kind of like this.
She likes it.
It's not.
Okay, now I'm putting in this texture glove.
It's not that bad.
It's pretty big.
And I'm going to put in the net.
Let the dice decide. Decline! Okay, now you put in something.
Skin.
I'll put in the cake squishy. Let the dice decide. Except, oh my gosh. Now we're back with the fidgets we started with.
Can you like get new fidgets to trade? Like, should we just get a
The goal is to get the opposite fidgets. Okay, I'm gonna put in this tangle again. Decline! I'm glad. Okay, how about let the dice decide before we even do it? Decline! Okay, then, decline! Okay, texture glove. Yes! Okay, this thing. This thingamajig. Let the dice decide. Decline. This is gonna take forever. Okay, now you finally put in something. Texture glove. You roll now. Except we're back with the fidgets we started with again. Guys.
Okay, for now, let's just take. Don't put your own fidgets in. Put your own fidgets in so we can not end up with the same. This is going to take forever.
Since it's going to take forever, guys, we're going to do a part 2 so that this video isn't dreadfully long and boring. So, anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Peace out.